finish looking at some machines that do construction. This is an excavator. This is a trencher. This is a skid steer. Trencher. Excavator. Skid steer. Excavator. Skid steer. Trencher. Skid steer. Trencher. Excavator. A trencher is a construction machine that is used to dig trenches. These trenches may be for laying pipes or electrical cables or for installing drainage. Trenchers come in many sizes. Some trenchers are made so you can walk behind them, while others are attached to a tractor or skid steer. Then there are the extremely large trenchers like the one in our picture. A skid steer is a compact machine that can fit into tight areas where larger machines cannot reach. It is light and maneuverable with 4 wheels and arms. The arms can attach to a variety of tools for various construction and landscaping jobs. The skid steer can complete many tasks such as excavation, grading, demolition, removal of debris, overhead work, and lifting. An excavator is a construction machine used to dig or move large objects. There are 2 parts to an excavator. There is a driving base and a powerful boom arm with an attachment designed for digging. The operator of the excavator sits inside a small cab attached to the driving base, and he controls the powerful boom arm. What is the name of this construction machine? What is the name of this construction machine? What is the name of this construction machine? Now you know. Skid steer, excavator, trencher, crane, cement mixer, bulldozer, steamroller, dump truck, grader. We will have to wait until next time to find out what new things we may learn about.